All right, so now we need to let our water and yeast mixture rise for at least 5 minutes or until it looks like this. This means our yeast has bloomed. If your yeast has not bloomed, that means your yeast is dead. It needs to look like this, okay? And then we're going to add our oil. And then after you add our oil, we're going to mix until it's just combined. Don't overmix. When you start to measure out your flour, you want to make sure you scoop in your flour and then level it off at the top. This makes sure you have a precise flour measurement. All right, now we're going to add in our first 2 cups of flour and salt, and we're going to mix until just combined. And I can't stress this enough, do not over mix your dough and don't over knead your dough, okay? Just mix it till it's just combined. And I'm going to show you this when we get into our shaggy dough phase, right before we knead it. Now we're going to add in the rest of our flour and we're going to mix until just combined. All right, so after you've mixed your flour till it's just combined, you're going to take about a 1/4 cup of flour and sprinkle it onto your surface. As you can see, our dough is not all put together, and that's how it should be. So we're going to turn it out onto our surface, and now we're going to knead it until it's elastic and until it does not stick on our hand. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. And also, don't forget to scrape out the bowl. Get all that out, all right? Now, as you see, I'm pressing down the dough, I'm folding it onto itself, and I'm also gathering the dough and the flour underneath the main dough that I'm kneading. When you knead your dough, you want to make sure you're grabbing everything. Everything needs to be incorporated, all right? So as you can see, my work surface is just about clean because I was gathering as I was kneading. And now I'm pressing my knuckles onto my dough and my knuckles are clean. That means we're good. And now you're going to fold the dough into itself until it becomes a ball. And then we're going to place that ball of dough into a well-greased bowl. And we're going to cover with parchment paper and we're going to let it rise until it doubles in size. That varies from region to region. So if it's colder where you are, make sure you keep it warm.